Hello, in this video we are going to learn some basics about matrices, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. But there is one exception that we cannot divide them. So let's start with addition. Let's take matrix the size 2 by 2, any number like 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, plus uh, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. We can add um, elements, values according to their positions. For example, minus 1 plus 2 will be 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 0 plus minus 1, it's minus 1. And 3 minus 2 is 1. The same tactics with subtraction. Addition and subtraction works for every size of matrix. 1 minus minus 2, it will be 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 5 minus 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. All right, let's go to subtract multiplication. First of all, I have to write the formula. Let's say we have matrix A and we have matrix B. We multiply them and we get some matrix. So let's say the size of matrix A is m by n, and the size of B matrix is n by P equals to C, uh, the size M by P. Can you see the difference? So it's the mandatory requirement. When we multiply two matrices, uh, the, the number of columns of matrix A um, should be the same as the amount of rows of matrix B. But what about the number of rows out of matrix A and the number of columns of matrix B? They can be included for our resulted matrix, C matrix. So let's see some examples. So we started doing matrices the size 2 by 2. Let's do again. Okay, what we can do? Not 2 by 2, let's say 2 by 3. All right, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1 times, mm, and let's say 1 minus 1, 2. The size of this matrix is 2 by 3 because we have 2 rows and 3 columns. In here, it's 3 rows and 1 column. So we have to receive the matrix the size by 2 by 1. But how this action is performed? One more thing, which is very important. X11, X12, X21, X22. Let's just take some sample of our example. So how it works? Let's highlight with some various colors. So how it works? If you want to receive this number in this position, first what we have to do, we have to multiply this number by this. So it's gonna be x. Let's express these variables like a, and again a. So x 1 times a 1 between these multiplication should be addition. So x11 times a11 plus um, x12 times a21, and x13 times a31. So let's come back to our equation. So 2 times 1 plus -1 times -1 and 0 times 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 1. So we got 3 here. And the same performance with only but with second row. 1 times 1, 0 times -1, and plus 1 times 2. So it's going to be 1, 3 again, isn't it? Yeah. One more example with another meaning of size. Let's say 3, 2, -1, 0, 1, 1 times uh, wait, 3 by 2. So it should be 2 by something, but let's say 2 again. Um, 2 -1, 0, 1. So we can receive the matrix size by 3 by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 times 0, which is 0. So here should be 6. 3 times -1, it's -3. -3 plus 2 is -1. So -1 times 2 is -2, plus 0 is um, -2. Um, -1 times -1. Actually, it's also 1. What about this one? So 1 times 2 is 2, and it's 0 again. So it's gonna be 2. 1 times -1 is -1. -1 plus 1 is 0. That's it. Thank you for your attention.